What if I told you that one simple idea was called dangerous by the powerful people of its time? An idea that broke the system of race, tribe, and class. An idea that said all human beings are equal and only one God deserves worship. Today, we are talking about that one idea of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, that reshaped history. Let's go back to 7th century Arabia. Tribes were everything. Your value depended on your family name. Slaves were treated like property. Baby girls were buried alive. Into that world came a message: La ilaha illallah. There is no God except one God. This was not just a religious statement, it was a social revolution. The Quran says, O mankind, we created you from a male and a female and made you into nations and tribes so that you may know one another. Indeed, the most honored of you in the sight of God is the most righteous. Quran 49:13. This directly challenged tribal pride. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, no Arab has superiority over a non-Arab, nor a non-Arab over an Arab, no white over a black, nor a black over a white, except by righteousness. Imagine how powerful and dangerous that sounded. If everyone is equal, then why should a rich man think he is better? Why should a king think he owns people? Why should race matter? He also said, all of you are from Adam, and Adam was created from dust. Your money does not define you. Your skin color does not define you. Your tribe does not define you. Your character does. The Quran says there is no compulsion in religion. Quran 2:256. Faith cannot be forced. It must come from the heart. Another powerful verse. Whoever kills a soul, it is as if he has killed all mankind. And whoever saves one, it is as if he has saved all mankind. Quran 5:32. This shows the value of human life. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, did not just preach this, he lived it. He freed slaves. Bilal, a former slave, was chosen to call the prayer. When he conquered Mecca, he did not take revenge. He said, no blame upon you today. You are free. That is leadership with mercy. He said, the best of you are the best to their families. He said, but treat women well. He taught honesty in business. The truthful and trustworthy merchant will be with the prophets and the righteous. Now think about it. Why was this idea dangerous? Because it gives dignity to the weak. It removes fear from the heart. It tells every person that they answer directly to God. No middleman. No human being owns another. When people realize they are equal before God, they stop accepting injustice. Within a few decades, a divided society became united. People who once fought each other became brothers. This was not just a spiritual change, it was a moral transformation. And even today, this message matters. We still see racism, we still see class divide, we still see injustice. The message remains simple: all human beings are equal. Your worth is based on your character. If you believe equality and human dignity still matter today, share this video. Comment below, all humans are equal. And subscribe for more thoughtful content like this.